Well, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody of the internet. Today we've got a boring unboxing video because I've got a new toy. So for years and years I've had a Karcher K3 and absolutely hated it. I hate the hose because it kinks up all the time. It also looks untidy, all this on the side. So I had a little bit of a payout from work. I decided to spend 360 quid on this. So I do hope it's worth it. Seems a lot of money. So it is the Nilfisk, calls itself the Excellence or something. Yes, the Excellent 160. So let's hope it lives up to its name. It's got a patio cleaner and it's got all sorts of gadgets and bits and bobs on it, including a foam blaster and some nozzles and things. So I picked the best day to do it because it's raining outside. So let's have a look. Ooh, not sure I can be trusted with this. Ooh. 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 Let's open it up. And all that box for that. Patio cleaner. It's got a height adjustable thing on the top of it. Excellent. Yeah, I use these a lot. Too much, in fact. Right, so let's detach the top bit. I'm not sure it's really necessary to have this much sellotape on things. I thought I was the king of doing silly things like this, especially with Christmas presents. Whee! Did I get it? Did I get it? No, I didn't. There you go. Right, let's lift that off. Marvellous. So there's my patio washer. Now for... Exciting, isn't it? No? Oh, okay, fair enough. I thought everybody loved an unboxing video. Right. Open up. Open up. Congratulations on your new Nilfisk high pressure washer. Thanks. Congratulations to me. Instructions. Won't be needing those. I'm a bloke. Some bits. A lance. Okay. Bit of box. Off you go. A snowy foamy thingy. Another bit of lance. Oh, that's chunky. Ooh, and you can have it rough or general or gentle or gentle one, or right, we'll see how that works later. We've got a bit of plastic. Excellent. More packaging. More packaging, more packaging, more packaging, and oh bugger, this is heavy. Oh yeah, I'm going to need two hands for this. Hold on. And she's out. That was a little heavier than I was expecting. In fact, it's very heavy for a pressure washer compared to the Karcher one. I can only assume that means better quality. Maybe not. Right, so we've got a wheelie thing. I think the hose, yep, hose comes out of there like that. That attaches to your gun. Yeah, nice and flexible. Much better than the Karcher one. Well, for that bit. And it's got its own little wheels as well, so you can pull it about. Look at that. Whee! Oh, pull it out of the plastic bag. Look at that. Whee! Gives you some instructions at the back there. Right, let's get it primed up and let's see how it works. So the first bit of assembly seems to be this side bit. You've got a screw right in there, in the Joe 90 cage. Yes, I am that old. And a screw that goes in there. So we'll get those in, shall we? Right, so that's screwed on, and in there, I think, is where your lance goes. Or is it in that bit? Could be in that bit. Who knows? Right, apparently this lives in there. Oh yeah, there you go. That lives in there, and these little ratchet straps that fall out because you're trying to hold the camera in one hand, these ratchet straps hold them in place. Hold on. So there you go, that's how that fits in. Excellent. So before I get too carried away, let's put that there. This has got to come off, I believe. I think that's where the hose goes in. Oh, this is so easy doing it with the camera. Why did I choose to do this job? Hold on. Right, once you loosen it, it's not so bad. There you go. So that is where your water adapter goes. Let me go and get that. Blooming obvious, really. There you go. That goes on there like that. Right, what's next? So these are the instructions. So I've got these bits left over. Now that bit there is that, so that makes sense. That, I think, holds in that at the top. Yeah, click, click. Right, but I haven't got a clue where that goes. Hold on, oh, I think I have. Yeah, pictures as instructions, not great. Right, so we have something there that looks like that. Ah, well, that could be, I thought it was some sort of pressure regulator, but I think it's a nozzle. Yeah, right, so let me get these on, I'll show you where they go. Right, I've got it. So that one, to hang your flex on, makes perfect sense, clips on there. And if we turn it round, we've got the other one that clips in there like that, and that holds your wand, and then that one, I think, by the looks of it, goes at the back. There is something just there. Maybe I need to look for that. Is it something to do with this? Right, we'll leave that like that for now because it's good enough. But yeah, there seems to be something there. Just there. That should click in. Right, let's get it primed anyway. Right, so I've got the water plugged in there. You pull the old lead out and then that clicks into there like that. That obviously unlocks it. I've put on the lance, so let's give it a go. Right, water's on. I'm going to make sure it's well primed. Let all the air out the system. Okay, I think it's pretty good. Right, let's switch her on. Okay. That's got some power. Excellent. So I'll just give it a turn. Gone to gentle 2. So that's more for your cars. And then we've got rough round there, which is the one I was just on, and then we've got gentle 1. Let's switch it to that. So all you do, let's see if I can get the camera angle right, just give it a twist. Gentle 1. Right. What does that do? Super. Squeak. The little squeak it makes. Right, anything to try now. It's my patio cleaner, so let's get that on. Right, so that is on. Oop. Yeah, I think I've got it on the wrong way around. Hold on. Well, it's a little bit fiddly, but got there in the end. Right. Certainly doing a good job. I'm not sure how much of this you can see, but I can see it. Certainly cleaning things up. Excellent. So yeah, pretty impressed. Had a little play with it. The lance has got 3 different functions on, which I showed earlier, and you just basically twist it around to the function you want. And yeah, the only downside for me at the moment, it's just me getting used to it, is when you put this on, you've got to line up all these notches. That notch goes into, well, I can show you if I just press that and pull that off. Hold on, 2 hands needed. So I found the trick. It has to be on rough, that end. If you look here, there's a little button, and that has to coincide with that slot there. Once you press it, literally, whoop, drops off. If you don't have that slot coincided with that, then yeah, it's very difficult. But as I was saying, you've got to get the slots lined up. So that slot in the end there, just there, it won't focus, but there you go, goes with that slot there. Once you've got them lined up, boom, click, not a problem. And then take it off again, whoop, click. But that is the key, just there. You've got to have that. If you don't have that in line, well, hey, if you don't have that in line, it's got nowhere to go, so you can't physically push it down. So again, look for the spring, look for the blue bit, like that. Sorry about the camera work. There you go. So yeah, that is the key. Once you've got that, not a problem. But yeah, I am waffling. Yeah, pretty impressed. The patio cleaner seems to work. It's cleaning up the bricks a treat. And the 3 settings on the wand, yeah, they seem to work okay. This one, that's just like a bit like a hose pipe really. So you put it in the end and it just sprays a big fan of water at the end of it. Quite handy. Use it to wash down the patio here, or the block paving should I say. So yeah, I think it's all pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. Now going to pack it away because it's blooming freezing and it's still drizzling. Right, thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you later.